Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see about an AI tool, an AI feature which has been introduced in the YouTube recently, and we can use this when you are watching really long videos or really long lectures. For example, when you are watching our CA final SPOM Set B marathon available in our YouTube channel, this is the Set B Sums marathon. This is a really long video, about 12 hours. In this video, I have covered all the sums, practical sums in Set B from study material, including illustrations, examples, question knowledge questions, everything, and all the sums in case scenario booklet are also covered in this video. Now, in this video, you cannot manage properly by using this bar to fast forward or backward itself. It will be challenging if you want to locate a particular concept or you want to go to a particular formula point like that. For those things, this AI tool will help you, and it will do several other things also. First, we can see how to use this AI tool. The AI tool which I am talking about is the Ask tool, which has been introduced in YouTube. Here you can find the Ask button. The name of the AI tool is Ask feature. So when you press this button, this window will open, and in this window you can ask your questions. This is similar to ChatGPT or Google. Here we are having a search bar. Here you can type whatever the doubt you are having. For example, in this really long 12-hour video, you need to find out the part where a concept is covered. For example, we have a concept called overall equipment effectiveness. I have covered that concept in this entire video. You have watched this video, but you don't know exactly where it has been covered. Or if you have not watched this video also, you need to cover that particular concept alone from this video. So you can type here where the concept of overall equipment effectiveness is covered. Now you can use this AI tool to find out the part where the overall equipment effectiveness is covered. Now when you are sending it, the AI will give a response to you. You have to wait till it loads. Now you have found out the timestamps where the OEE is mentioned. Here it has given a list of 5 or 6 timestamps. Here they have given that it is given as an introduction in the chapter. In this timestamp, OEE started to be explained, and then they have given the other timestamps also where the reference of OEE is given. Here when you go to this timestamp, you will find out the concept. When you directly click on this timestamp, sometimes it will work or sometimes it will not work. So directly you can use this scroll bar to find out where that you can go to exactly 1 hour 18 minutes using this bar. When you go to 1 hour 18 minutes, so when you go to 1 hour 18 minutes, you are finding that the concept of overall equipment effectiveness is being covered. So this is the usage of this tool. You can quickly go to a particular concept, and then you can watch from there to till 5 or 10 minutes to complete that concept. And then when you want to see another concept, you can again use this tool to find out the timestamp for that another concept. Again go and watch that particular concept. If you are if you have already prepared from some other place and you want to cover a list of particular concepts alone from this 12-hour video, you can use this. Another use of this feature is that you can also ask any other doubt which you are having to this AI tool. Now you can ask, for example, in standard costing we have a formula called material price variance. You can ask what is the formula for material price variance. Now it will give you the answer. After loading, it is giving you the answer. The formula is standard price minus actual price multiplied by actual quantity. It is also giving a description of why we are calculating it, and actual quantity why we are using. The actual quantity is used because the purchasing department is responsible for the entire quantity they purchased. This is the logic which I have explained in the video. It is giving you as a summary of the particular concept and you are giving it as an input. So if you want to know the logic of a particular thing also, you can directly ask it, what is the formula for material price variance and why we are using actual quantity. If you ask it like that, it will give you the answer. Like that, you can ask the logic of particular concept if you are unable to track that particular concept by going through the search, going through the scroll bar in this video. Now I will give you another example. Now we are going to ask, where is the concept of cost indifference point covered in this video? Here it has given us that it is covered around this timestamp, 7 hours 53 minutes. Now when you click on this, sometimes it will not work, so you have to go to the timestamp manually. At 7 hours 53 seconds it is saying. So we are at 7 hours 1 minute 2 seconds, approximately nearby that only. So here you can see cost indifference point concept is covered. So like this you can use this AI tool. Now we can ask, what is the logic given for cost indifference point in this video? It will also tell us the logic which I have explained in the video. The video explains the cost indifference point as a way to determine fixed cost option becomes more favorable than a variable cost option. They have given the timestamp also. In this timestamp, you can find the logic. So like this, you can use this AI tool to save your time, and it will help you in your preparation. Thank you. I hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video and share this to your friends who are also preparing for exams, and they may find it useful also. You can use this AI tool for all the videos under which you are able to find this option of ask. So you can use this AI tool. Thank you.